Is Aquoxis shop a total scam or just the next hidden gem in online shopping? I decided to find out so you don't have to. First off, let's get real. Aquoxis isn't exactly a household name in 2026. There's barely any reliable info out there, and that's already got my scam radar blinking. Here's what you need to watch for. Number 1. Those wild, too good to be true prices. If you see the latest gadgets or fancy furniture at 70% off, that's usually a trap. Scammers love playing with deals that seem impossible to turn down. Then, check the website's history. Scam sites pop up overnight, sometimes just before big sales, then vanish with your cash. You can use free tools like Whois to see how old the domain really is. If it's brand new, that's a giant red flag. Next, look for legit contact info. Real shops want you to find them. If you only see a random Gmail address or a sketchy contact form, think twice. No address? No phone number? That's a note from me. Another sneaky trick copied content. If Aquoxis is using recycled product photos or about us blurbs you've seen on Amazon, it's probably a scammer behind the scenes. So, what should you do before you even think about buying? Search Aquoxis scam on Google or Reddit. Check if anyone's warning others. Double-check the URL for weird spellings or extra letters. Those are traps for your credit card info. And peek at their social media. If the comments are turned off or totally fake, walk away. Finally, if you do risk it, always use PayPal or your credit card. Never bank transfers or crypto. That way, you've got some backup if things go sideways. Bottom line, if Aquoxis looks shady, trust your instincts. Don't let flashy deals cost you more than you bargained for.